Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to unboxing and try on the Cherry Crush from Colourpop. So if you guys are interested for this one, then just keep on watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Princess and I love makeup and skincare products. I do reviews on them and try on this channel. So if you guys are interested of this kind of content, please consider to subscribe, and if you like this kind of video, please give this a thumbs up and let's go started. So basically I bought this Colourpop new releases on their website, and every week, of course, if you guys are not familiar to Colourpop, they always release new products each week or other maybe 2 weeks or whatever, but they always have a new products in their website, and this is one of them, and this is the Cherry Crush edition, and I'm going to show you guys now. I just bought that, like, kind of the ones that I just wanted to try on. I didn't buy the whole set of these products, like the collection or the vault. So first, they do have the 9-pan Cherry Crush pressed powder palette, and I believe this is like $14. And I do have the sour cherry, and this is their cheek dew serum blush. And then I've got this Colourpop cream gel liner in the shade of cherry pie. And then lastly, I think this is their newest formula for a lip product. This is their double cherry glossy lip stain. So, and I think this is our like around $30 or something like that. And I bought 2 more products, but it's not in this collection. So I bought this Cheek Dew in their Lush collection, and I believe this is their serum blush in the shade of Passion Flower. And then this is their newest Color Sticks Colourpop product, and I bought in the shade of Coffee Shop. I can't even talk right now. So this one basically is, I'm just gonna show you guys right away, but I'm not going to use it now. So this is how it looks like. So it's like a eyeshadow stick. And then the next one is this serum blush from the Lush collection, and this is in the shade of Passion Flower. And I started to love using this serum blush because I'm not using makeup or wear makeup every day, and I just wanted to have a little bit of flush of blush, and this one are really good for that natural makeup look. So now let's go back to the this Cherry Crush collection. First, I have the palette. So the packaging is really nice, and then inside is still the same, so I'm going to keep this. I love keeping eyeshadow palette boxes because they're really cute, and the designs. So basically it's the same design as the packaging, and it does have the names of all the eyeshadows in here, and it does have this. So this is how it looks like. It doesn't have any mirror in here. So it does have Sweet Light, Cerise, Cherry Stem, Tie a Knot, Very Cherry, Juicy, Scarlet, Black Cherry, and Take a Bite. So basically it's not really like a red tone, but I'm going to show you guys a little bit similar to the main squeeze, which is their watermelon palette, 9-pan palette also. So this is the main squeeze. I was contemplating if I'm going to buy this palette, but later on I bought it anyway. So this is how their comparison of these two. So they're not really like the same shades, but Still, they have a different shades here. This one does have pinkish shades like right here, and this one it does have like kind of more of a reddish warm tone compared to this one. It's like does have like kind of cool tone a little bit here. So I already did my eyebrows, so now I'm going to put concealer on my eyes so that we can start using this eyeshadow palette. To test out the pigmentation of these eyeshadows, I'm going to set off my base using this Fit Me loose finishing powder. So I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to use that later on. So first, I'm going to use this one right here, in the middle, the cerise. This take a bite on the, oh, this one is really powdery. See, I just put it like that. So I'm gonna use it right here. I wanted to try to use the tie a knot on the inner corner, and then later on I want to try juicy in the in between. Wet it a little bit. So I'm gonna wet it a little bit. I think it's alright. It's just me that I don't know how to combine colors, I guess, but it's alright. So I'll be back and I'll do the other eye so that we can save time. So yeah. So I'm back with this false eyelashes on and already finished this other eye and already put some primers and foundation on my face and concealer underneath of my eyes. Now let's go back to the collections, and I'm going to use the Sour Cherry, their Cheek Dew Serum Blush. So it does have a seal. How it looks like if you don't like blend it, and then if you're going to blend it a little bit, wait, I don't want to like lose the lid because it might gonna make a little bit mess here. So this is how it looks like. I'm just making sure I don't have anything on my shirt. So it's really liquidy, and then it's like kind of jelly consistent whenever you have those the squeezy candy, kind of like that, those sour ones. That's how the texture, and this is how it looks like when it is a little bit blended on your face. So now I'm going to use the like a sponge because I don't have any powder yet. So this is how it looks like. It's really sheer, and I don't know if you can build them up much. So far it didn't made a mess of my base. Later on I'm just gonna go sheer it with powder. So for this, how it looks like. Next I am going back to to the under eye to put a little bit of powder. And now I'm going back to the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the this one right here, the first eyeshadow. And then we're going back to the tie a knot. And I'm gonna use it right here. Next product that I'm going to use is going to be the gel liner, and this is how it looks like. The name is Cherry Pie, and this is how it looks like. So it's really reddish. This is I think this is the only reddish color, including the serum blush, that is really a true red color on this eyeshadow. And last of this collection, the product, it will be their glossy lip stain, which is in the shade of Double Cherry. So this is how it looks like. The packaging is like kind of like more of a Korean beauty products. Just have a simple applicator, and it's like kind of spatula, and this is how it looks like, the shade. And if you're going to smudge it or blend it, this is how it looks like. So it's like kind of yeah, it's like kind of the lip stain from Korean beauties. And then I'm just gonna spread it with my hand. One of my favorite on this collection, it will be the eyeliner and the serum blush, and then the third one, it will be this one. The eyeshadow palette is alright. I'm expecting to have like kind of more of a reddish eyeshadow, but it turned out I have a pinkish plummy what do you call this, makeup look. This is the final look using this Cherry Crush collection.